So we're back on the plough again. Just to walk. Wind's a bit bad. Yeah, just got a little bit here where I had some pheasant cover. Getting that ploughed up. 5th of February. Starting to dry up. But then they talk of rain coming in later this week. So yeah, done a bit of drone. Done a bit of drone with the plough, and yeah, this is going to spring barley hopefully.
To my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work and I play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing, nothing at all. Don't care what you think, what you believe, cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing